Yeehaw, Friday Night Lights. I just now finished up hooking up this power steering. I still got to have the front end aligned, but oh, it works great. And it was crazy. I got ready to start the car up, and my 3-month-old battery, it was only 3 months old, it was a 3-year battery, had completely died and would not take a charge, like something shorted out. That battery there came out of the Buick Lucerne that I wrecked 3 years ago, and it caught on fire. That battery caught on fire, and it still works great. Anyway, that's the correct 348 brackets and everything. It's a new power steering pump from Summit, and of course my 605 box came out of the wrecking yard for 75 bucks. Works great. Man, it steers like a 78 Cutlass or 81 Cutlass or some kind of Oldsmobile. Oh, it drives like a dream. I can't wait to have the front end aligned and get my exhaust put on it. I love where I live. These are my Friday night lights. I can do a figure 8 and drive around here and see if something is leaking. Of course, this is right behind my house. I got trash and filth all inside of it. This thing probably should be in a Cheech and Chong movie. And my steering wheel's not, it's off center. Like I said, I just now got this thing hooked up. I just now. Whoop. I sucked up some trash. Look at this thing. Speedometer recently quit working.